Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Yes? Okay. So, today, what are you thinking that I'm going to teach you? Because already we have completed our lesson, yes? About the zoo. Where Abhi is going to the zoo to see the animals. And where he has gone with his friends. Yes, where he has gone with his friends to the zoo to see the animals, and he has seen the different types of animals. Many animals he has seen there, like an elephant, giraffe, tiger, lion, kangaroo, horse, deer, birds also like peacock, parrot, owl. So he has seen all different kinds of animals in the zoo, and he enjoyed a lot there. But you know, children, when Abhi was going to the picnics means they were going a spot at the zoo. So when Abhi was going to the zoo, in what he went? Yes, he went into the van. He has gone in the van to the zoo. So children, today we are going to learn about the vehicles. Vehicles means some means of transport which we use to travel from one place to another. Okay, which we use to go from one place to another. Traveling means going from one place to another. So sometimes if the place is very near, we use a bicycle or motorcycle. If you want to go to little near far off places, we use an auto or sometimes bus. If you want to go very far off places, we use buses or train. And if we want to go to the other countries, we use what? Aeroplane. We go by an aeroplane. So here when Abhi was going to the zoo, he has gone into the van to the zoo. So here today I am going to show you, or I am going to teach you that the vehicles which we use to travel. No, already we have completed our portion. So why don't we learn about the vehicles and about the other things? Okay. So are you excited to learn about the vehicles, children, which we use to travel? I hope you all are excited to see or to listen the vehicles, the pictures of the vehicles which I am going to show you. Okay, so here already Abhi is going to the zoo in the van. The van picture is given here, but there are the other means of transports which we use to go or to travel one place to another. Okay, so are you ready to listen and see the pictures of the vehicles, children? Okay, then let's start our today's class with our fresh minds. Okay, here I'm going to show you the first picture. Can you guess it, children, what I'm going to show you? Okay, then I'm going to show you here the first picture. I'm going to show you here. It is ready. Okay, so children, see here, this is called the road, and it is a bridge, children. See, under the bridge one road is there, and it is called the bridge. See, here number of cars are moving. Which vehicle is this, children? Yes, this is a car. It has the 4 wheels. No, it has the 4 wheels, and these are the cars. See, there are the number of cars are moving here. Many cars are there, no? So these are called the cars, and these cars run on the road. No? So this is called the road, children. This is called the road. So every day we see number of cars also are moving on the roads, one place to another. Every day we see. No? So here this is called, the vehicle name is car. What is this, children? Car, and it has the 4 wheels. It runs on the road. Okay, so the next picture I'm going to show you. here I have the half only picture of it, don't mind it. Okay, so here I hope you will get it. What is the picture is this? Okay, what picture is this, children? Yes, it is a bicycle. It is a bicycle. It has the two wheels. One is not there. Only the half picture of the bicycle is looking here. It has shown here. So this is called the bicycle, and we have to paddle it, which will not. This vehicle need not of the petrol or diesel. Just we have to paddle it. It has the two paddles here, which we have to paddle. Then only it moves front, and it has the two wheels. This is the front wheel, and the another one wheel will be there back side, and this is called the handle. This is called the handle. Okay, so this vehicle will not use the any petrol or diesel. This only we have to paddle it by our energy, so it moves front. So this will also run or moves only on the road. Okay, so this vehicle is called the bicycle or cycle. Okay, so the next I am going to show you here the picture is, yes, here it is a bike. Which vehicle is this, children? Bike. Okay, so bike also runs on the road. It runs on the road. It has the two wheels. It is a front wheel, and one more will be there back side. This is called the handle. And you know, children, it works or it runs only with the use of the petrol. It needs the petrol to run. Okay, so this is called the bike. It has the two wheels. Understood, children? Okay, so the next picture we are going to see. Yes, okay, so what picture is this, children? Car. Just now I have shown you there were the number of cars were moving on the road. This is the half part of the car which has shown here in the picture. It has the four wheels. Okay, so this is called the car which runs on the road, and it runs only with the use of the diesel. Okay, now we are going to see your next picture. So, okay, children, what picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of a lorry. So, lorry has the wheels. There may be the 10 tires lorry also will be there, 8 tires lorry also will be there, 4 tires, 6 tires. So, according to its size and the capacity, it has the tires. This is called the lorry. Okay, and this one also runs on the with the use of the diesel and on the road. It runs only on the road. Okay, so the next we are going to see the picture of the another vehicle. So here this is the picture of a van. When you come to school, when you used to come to school, you used to come in the van, no, children, which is in yellow in color. So this is the color of the van, yellow in color van only. This is called the school van. Okay, this one also runs only on the diesel, and it is called the land transport. Land transport means which runs on the road. Okay, so the next picture we are going to see is, so okay, this is the picture of an auto. Every day we see the number of autos which move on the road, no? So this is the picture of an auto. It has the 3 wheels, the front side 1 and the back side 2. Yes, so this is called the land transport, means it runs on the road only. It has the 3 wheels, front is 1, back 2. So what is the picture it is, children? This is an auto. What is this? Auto. Okay. Okay, so children, what is the next picture it is? What it is looking here? It is a railway station. No? So in the railway station, which vehicle it is, children? Yes, it is a train which takes us to far off places. No? So this is a train. It runs on the rails. Rails mean tracks. So these are called the tracks, children. So train runs or moves on the tracks. So we use train to go far off places. And this is the picture of a railway station. Okay. So nowadays these trains also are running on the diesel, and nowadays these are going or moving the using of the electricity also. Okay, so this is the picture of a train which we use to go far off places, and it runs on the tracks. Okay, so the next picture we are going to see is what is this, children? Yes, this is an aeroplane which fly in the air. No? So this is called the air transport, which not runs on the road or nor in the water. So it flies in the air. So that's why this is called an air transport. Okay. So this is an aeroplane. What is this, children? An aeroplane. It flies in the sky. See how nice the clouds are looking here. Okay, so this is the picture of an aeroplane. It is called the air transport. So we use this vehicle, aeroplane, to go to the other countries. Okay, so what picture it is, children? This is the picture of an aeroplane which is called the air transport, because it flies in the air. Understood? Okay, so the next picture we are going to see is now. Okay, children, what picture it is? See, everywhere the water is looking. It means this is a picture of a sea under Samudram. And here the big ship are sailing on the water. So the sheep also, sometimes will travel by sheep also. Okay, so the ship are also used to go for other countries. Got it? And if there are any heavy loads or goods which to be transported are sent by the ships only. So ships are used to go to other countries also, and the goods or any some more heavy luggages also are sent by the ships. And these ships, they sail on the water. That's why these are called the water transport. Which transport, children, it is? Water transport. And these are the vehicles which are called here ship. The heavy loads, heavy goods are sent by the ship and they sail on the water. That's why these are called the water transport. Now you got it, children? So we have learned there are the three means of transport. How many means of transport are there, children? 3. One is water transport, one is air transport, and one is land transport. So water transport means the vehicles which sail on water are called the water transport. Example is in front of you only. This is called the ship which sail on the water. That's why it is called the water transport. And next is air transport. So air transport means the vehicles which fly in the air are called the air transport. So here it is an example of air transport is which is an aeroplane which flies in the air. That's why it is called the air transport. Okay, and the next one is which transport, children? Yes, land transport. So here are the picture of an auto, bike, car and van. These vehicles which run on the road or move on the road are called the land transport, because they run on the land, they move on the land. So these vehicles are called the land transport. The vehicles which run on the road are called the land transport. Okay, so today we have learnt about the three means of transport: air transport, water transport and land transport. Okay, and their examples also we have seen. So hope, children, all you have understood the means of transport. So there are the three means of transport are called the water transport, land transport and air transport. So these vehicles, whatever we have seen in our class, today's class, are used to travel from one place to another. Okay, so hope you all have understood, children. So like this, some basics we are going to learn in our classes now. So in our next class I am going to show you the another pictures. So we'll learn the new things in our class. Hope you all are excited to learn also. So soon we are going to meet in our next class. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Okay, then bye children.